The agility and durability of wood chipper machines are undeniable in the modern wood industry. With the ability to process tons of wood per hour, these machines not only deliver high performance, but also help optimize the production process in an incredible way. Our video today will show you that. With a capacity of more than 800 horsepower, the EC1290 deserves to be the most powerful chipper among wood chipper machines. It's unbelievable that this chipper can handle such large diameter trees. This is a testament to the advancement of technology. Even with large and difficult wood blocks, the Brush Bandit 250 XP hydraulic disc chipper can handle them with ease and precision. Bandit wood chipper is like a beast sweeping the forest. It quickly processes everything that is put into its mouth. It's dangerous. They should not put any part of their body into this chopping machine because it can cause risks at any time. He is the one who cleans the area. Thanks to this chipper, disposing of excess pine branches is easy. It's great that the Moorbach M20R wood chipper has a loading deck of over 152 cm long, minimizing trouble during use. I am really impressed with the Forced ST8 diesel wood chipper because of its power and precision while working. With a capacity of more than 200 horsepower, the 1990 XP wood chipper is showing its power by chopping large trees. Looking at the way he stands and watches the wood being pulled in for chopping, we can see the convenience that this wood chipper brings. The Vandealer Giant TV 4052 P2 wood chipper is trusted by the most demanding experts because of its outstanding working ability. The large diameter chopping drum and powerful capacity make the Tomcat 4250 AF the most powerful 250mm chopper on the market. From the same manufacturer, the Tomcat 150 Sayday portable wood chipper has great power and is controlled by gravity for homes and small ownership areas. I am really impressed with this wood chipper because it is beautiful and can process a large volume of wood in 1 hour, bringing high efficiency for wood chopping work. In Australia, after Christmas, the amount of pine trees released into the environment is quite large. This chopper is essential right now to clean them up. Popular for home or small business applications, the RTW650 chipper represents technological advancement, bringing power and high performance to the woodworking industry. If you are looking for a powerful and compact wood chipper, the RC130 is a great choice for you. For jobs involving sharp machinery, wearing such safety gear is highly recommended. GTM GTS 1300R is also a very popular chopping machine in the US. With its compact design, it is easy to transport in any project. Along with the GTM GTS series, the 1800R is the perfect machine for transportation on difficult terrain because it is equipped with a crawler driven by a Honda GX160 engine with 3 forward speeds and 1 reverse speed. Chopping machines always give me an interesting feeling because even though they are small, their power is not small. The Moorbank 6400 XT Woodhog horizontal grinder weighs 96,000 pounds. It has a sturdy construction and a capacity of over 1,000 to 1,200 horsepower. It can effectively crush large volumes of wood material. The Moorbank 3400 XT with 800 horsepower is a formidable grinder in the woodworking industry. The machine's powerful motor allows for efficient grinding of wood materials, contributing to minimizing waste. With precision crushing capabilities, the Rotochopper B66L horizontal crusher effectively turns pallet waste into valuable materials, contributing to environmental sustainable efforts. This is a close-up view of the wood crushing process using the Dopstat DH812 machine at Mittelren, Papelen. With advanced techniques and high precision, small pieces of valuable wood were brought to processors quickly. With a high-capacity grinding chamber and advanced features, the Rotochopper B66 L-Series horizontal grinder efficiently processes wood waste, contributing to waste reduction and biomass production. With high-speed grinding capabilities, the Vermeer T8 5000 crusher effectively turns wood waste into mulch materials. It plays an important role in landscape creation and environmental protection today. With its versatility and efficiency, combined with a large drum design and powerful motor, the Moorbank 1300 tub grinder can process large quantities of wood materials easily and efficiently. Capable of chopping up to 120 tons of wood materials per hour, the Moorbank 83-inch high-capacity wood chipper plays a vital role in land clearance, biomass production and waste management. The Moorbark 30 RXL wood splitter is an essential tool in dry oak processing in Sweden. Known for its precision and efficiency, it can split wood oak easily, improving productivity in the wood industry. The B66 L Series horizontal grinder is an advanced solution for wood grinding, featuring advanced and highly efficient features that combine a large grinding chamber and a powerful motor, effectively processing wood waste. Equipped with a 765 horsepower CAT C18 engine, the CBI Chipmax 484T demonstrates its importance in meeting the demand for wood products, while maximizing resource use in the Netherlands. Renowned for its efficiency and reliability, the advanced Dobstad DH910 Super Panther wood chipper processes wood material with ease, making it an important asset in the forestry industry. The CBI 5400 Caterpillar 324E is a powerful combination, integrating a high-capacity wood chipper with a powerful Caterpillar excavator that plays a vital role in biomass production and sustainable forestry practices. Thanks to this advanced and modern machine, crushing tree roots becomes easy and fast. The powerfully designed Pronar MRW 2.85 HY crusher can crush many different types of wood effectively, contributing to waste reduction and resource utilization. The Rotochopper B66T is a specialized crusher designed to process debris on land and to produce boiler fuel in Florida. With powerful crushing capabilities and sturdy construction, the Rotochopper B66E turns waste materials into valuable ground cover, playing an important role in landscape and waste management projects. With its sturdy structure and advanced grinding technology, Diamond's Z T8000 TK helps save large volumes of wood waste and turns them into valuable materials that enhances the diversity of wood products. The Moorbark 1300 wood waste crusher has a sturdy structure and a powerful motor that can handle bulky pieces of wood, making it an essential tool in the woodworking industry. The Rotochopper V66T grinder is equipped with a 950 horsepower engine. It is a formidable machine in the woodworking industry. High power motors and advanced crushing technology allow the machine to crush large amounts of wood scrap effectively. Capable of processing up to 400 cubic meters of material per hour, the Moorbark 1100 tank crusher plays a vital role in waste recycling and biomass production industries. The Moorbark 4036 micro chipper is equipped with a 16 knife advantage 3 drum, as well as being equipped with an impressive 800 horsepower CAT C27 engine. This can produce large volumes of wood waste in a short period of time. Equipped with a large chipping drum measuring 50 inches in diameter, the Moorbark 5048B whole wood chipper can effectively chop whole trees into high quality wood chips. With an impressive 14-foot wide grinding chamber and a powerful CAT C27 1050 horsepower engine, the CBI 6800 CT horizontal grinder can efficiently process large quantities of wood waste. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, the Volvo 350E ensures a smooth and precise operation of the heavy-duty grinder. The devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know your thoughts. We promise to bring you more interesting videos soon. See you again.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.